Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating structure. Open Google Docs and pick a template or blank file, then set page size and margins to 8, 5 times 11 or A4. Next, choose 2 complementary fonts and define header styles so you can apply them consistently. Once done, create a simple color palette for headings and accents. Add the document title in the header. Finally, enable the outline pane and set sharing permissions. This ensures collaborators see the structure and can edit immediately. Now build the page. Apply heading 1 through 3 styles to create hierarchy and use normal text for body copy so formatting stays consistent. Insert layout elements, tables for data, images with captions, and page breaks for sections, then use columns only where needed. Make spacing decisions. Set 0, 5, 1. 0 line height, adjust paragraph spacing, and use indentation for lists. Also, use the format menu to lock styles. This speeds up later edits and keeps visual rhythm across multiple contributors. Finish by proofreading. Run spelling and grammar checks, then run accessibility to catch contrast and heading issues. Once clean, review version history and resolve comments so the final state is clear, then export to PDF or docx depending on delivery needs. If layout breaks, clear formatting on the affected section and reapply predefined styles, or copy content into a new document to reset stubborn issues. Remember this one key tip. If something still looks wrong, check sharing permissions. Sometimes collaborators see cached versions instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.